YouTube? What's good with y'all boys, man? Today. What I'm gonna go do today? It's Valentine's Day today, so I real life don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I'm gonna go do some shit. Probably go visit my girl, shit like that, yada yada yada. So I'm just gonna take y'all on like another little daily vlog type shit. Get her a couple little things here and there. Give her a couple little things and then just enjoy the day for real. Cause I know she said she don't feel good, so we ain't going nowhere. So we really just like I'm finna go over there for a little bit, just enjoy her presence for a second, type shit. What I want to say to y'all is, stop comparing yourself to others. Stop comparing yourself on social media to everybody else. Everybody else ain't got the same shit you got. You ain't got the same shit as everybody else. Your life is different from everybody else. So don't compare yourself. Make your life different. Be a leader in this world, because there's not a lot of leaders in this world. Everybody's a follower. Everybody want to be like each other. Everybody want to be relationship goals. They want to be a celebrity and shit like that. So really just be yourself. Just be yourself, be you, and have fun. Enjoy life. Life is short. Life is short, but life is great. It has its ups and downs, but that's just life. So that's all I'm gonna say. That's my yapping for today. That's my yapping for today. I do need to go to I need to go to the bank real quick, pull out some money, and then I'm gonna go get her some candy and shit like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to really just give y'all like a POV drive type shit, because it's not a POV drive. This is really my vlog and shit. So I do need to clean my car though. This shit crazy. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to the bank. Pull out a little bit of money, and then I'm gonna go from there. All right, YouTube. So we are back. I am filming. I guess you can say I'm filming like I'm not gonna say it's a POV drive. I'm just giving y'all a POV drive. But I did get her some chips and some sour Skittles. Cause she said sour. I don't know why the fuck she said sour, but got her some sour Skittles. I'm gonna see if it's a little street vendor right here with some flowers, because I don't want to go to the fucking store. The stores be fucking packed. I'm not trying to be one of those niggas stuck in there. So see if it's a little street vendor. It look like somebody up here. See how much that shit costs, and then yeah, get her some flowers real quick. Yeah, got her some flowers. I mean, it's a little something. Then got her some Skittles. And I got her a little bag of chips. I don't even know if she liked these chips or not. I just got them. I like them, so I got them. But yeah, man. My day is really gonna be simple. Like, it's not gonna be a whole bunch. I'm not doing a whole bunch today. Really just chilling in the house. Just because it's my first day off. Like, my first day off, I really don't be wanting to do shit. I just be wanting to be in the crib, bro. No cap. So yeah, so first day off, I'm gonna chill, be in the crib, play the game. Second day off, I'll be outside, trying to figure out what to do. But yeah, let me call her real quick till I come outside. Look at her. Alright, YouTube, so I am back. I did drop her stuff off. I filmed it, but I don't know if I really want to. I don't know yet. I don't know. yeah, dropped her stuff off and gave her flowers, her chips and shit. So she should enjoy that. That should put a smile on her face for the day. So yeah, after this, I'm gonna just go wash my car real quick. Set up a little quick little wash, and then after that, damn, I don't even know if I got towels in the back of my car. Damn, that's a big deal breaker right there. No towels. I probably don't got no towels, and if I do got a towel back there, that bitch is crunchy. Because, yeah, I already used it. Damn, that shit sound weird as fuck. That shit, the towel is crunchy. The towel is fucking probably hard as shit because fucking it was wet and it had like soap on it. Like, for all you dirty-minded motherfuckers like me, I didn't use it for that, bro. I didn't use it for that. I used it to fucking clean my car. Hey, your boy, hey, tell me how I did. Did I do good? Did I do good? Let me know, y'all. Let me know. I did cut my hair this morning. I've been cutting hair for a cool little minute. I cut other people's hair like every now and then. But my hair, I've been cutting for at least since 2020. But I still feel like I suck at it. So y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if did I fuck my shit up, bro? Like, let me know, because I did this side too. Give me some pointers. Like, did I fuck my shit up or did I do good? Like, would y'all let me cut y'all? You let me cut your hair, bro? Or would y'all say, fuck no, I'm not letting you touch my fucking head? I don't know, niggas is weird though. Niggas be loyal to the barber. So if you loyal to your barber, I understand if you said no. But if you don't got no barber and your barber fucking your shit up, or your barber fucking your shit up, and you ain't let me cut your hair, you wild. That's fucked up. Why you can't let me fuck your shit up, you know? I'm kind of dipping into everything for real. I want to have my hands into everything. I don't want this to be like a one show for everything. Nah, fuck. I don't even know what to call that shit. Like a one talent guy, you know? I don't want to be one of those niggas. Like I want to be able to do everything. Like I want to be able to, like, I guess you could say a handyman. Like I want to be able to do a little bit of everything. Like, I'm not perfect in a whole bunch of shit, but I know a little bit of everything. I know how to get some shit done. If that makes sense. So, like, that's really what I want to do. So, like, I want to master barbering, but I want to at least know how to fucking give a nigga a clean fade or a burst fade real quick. You know, if they got a flat top type shit, or like, you know, the thought boy haircut. I at least want to be able to do some shit like that. Give a nigga a clean cut, like a clean ass hairline, you know, some shit like that. Be able to work on some cars, you know my way around some fucking cars, and know some fucking shit, like know how to fucking install lights and shit like that. Like be able to fix some shit around the house. Like I don't want to be one of those niggas that just don't know how to do shit. That's just me. I don't want to be one of those niggas. There's people in this world that don't know how to do shit. Like, they don't know how to change tires and shit like that. Like, there's dudes out here that don't know how to do none of that shit. I don't want to be one of those dudes. I look at those people and be like, bro, like, what the fuck is wrong with you, you know? So, not saying that's bad, but it as a dude, bro, you should at least know something, you know? You should at least know how to do some certain things. Yeah, you should know how to do certain things, and those certain things should be that. You should know how to at least change a fucking tire, you know, unclog a toilet type shit, clean some dishes, some shit like that. Like, bro, like, women ain't here for that shit, you know. Even though I can't say I don't know how to cook, so I can't really talk on that one. I know how to make certain meals, and that's really it. I need to get over here. I need to get over here too, because this truck moving slow as shit. But learn how to do some shit for yourself, bro. Learn how to be a man. I guess that's what you call a man. I really raised myself, so I can't really, like, I have my mom, but she can't really teach me how to be a man. She taught me how to, you treat. She taught me how to treat a woman, taught me how to like live life and how to understand my life, but she can't really teach me how to be a man. That's a man's job, and I ain't really had a dad to really show me some shit like that. So I mean, I had damn. So now that sound bad. Like now that sound like my dad like abandoned us. He didn't really abandon me. My pops, that nigga went to jail, so that nigga was in jail basically my whole fucking life. And I'm 25 years old now, so at this point, yeah, I basically showed myself how to really be a man. My days are not fun, bro. Like, if y'all watching me to be exciting, like my day, like me going to like the mall or some shit, I don't go to malls, bro. I don't. I'm not a clothing nigga. Like, probably like one day, like when when I'm financially stable and shit like that, and I'm like happy with what I got, then maybe I'll probably think about fucking clothes and shit like that. But as of right now, bro, that's not my focus, bro. I'm telling y'all that right now. I mean, then again, it's another thing too, cause like, I'm interested in clothes, like I'm interested in like fashion and shit like that, but I just can't see myself buying that shit right now. So I mean, if you do got a clothing brand, you want to see me some shit, let me know, bro. I'll happily let you send me some of your clothes, and I'll for sure show that shit off. But other than that, bro, yeah. Is it Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. Niggas still gotta go to work and shit, but there's literally no traffic on the freeway. Like this is mild traffic to me. Usually this fucking freeway right here, bro, be packed. I don't know if y'all ever seen me like go down this freeway. I only go down this freeway at certain times of the day, just because this shit be so fucking packed. Like this be the most packed freeway I ever be on in my life. Like this shit don't be hit. Like it's always a whole bunch of niggas on this freeway. Like right now, if I want to cut up, I can bob and weave through this shit, and I got room, I got space, nigga. So I can if I wanted to, I can cut through here. Fucking race this truck, get behind this truck, go over there, type shit. Like I can bob and weave through this, but I won't. I'm trying to stay. I'm trying to increase my miles per gallon, bro. I'm at fucking 10, bro. Well, what is that? 10.2. Still 10. I'm at 10, bro. That shit look disgusting. Like, if y'all go looking back at my past videos, nigga, I was at like 13, 14. Chilling. Some days, some weeks, I was at 10. Bro, I've been driving like a fucking, like, slow as shit. And I'm still at 10. And I find that shit crazy as hell, because like now that I'm trying to go slow, I can't get to where I want to be. Like I expected myself to be like 25 miles per gallon or some shit right now. My bad, I had to shut up. I had to lock in because niggas was not trying to let me over, especially this nigga right here, bro. For some reason, bro, it be niggas. You in a fucking Nissan Sentra, bro. Slow your stupid ass down, bro. You is not no fucking, you not no Hellcat, bro. Like, niggas be trying to Speedy Gonzalez they way and bully they way, like, so you can't get over. And that's Vegas shit, bro. And then niggas wonder why, like, niggas drive like they're invisible. Because niggas treat you like they're invisible out here, bro. That shit crazy. Physically, I feel like I want to better myself. I want to get back in the gym. I want to look better. And that'll be me physically getting myself together and mentally physically being together. Because like I got a job now, so I'm chilling on working. Got a job, I got an income. I'm back recording videos. All I needed to do now was really just get myself together with the gym. Hit the gym, get by. Be happy. Alright, YouTube. So I did end up finish washing my car. She wasn't even home, which is the fucked up part about it. So yeah, I had to use soap out my motherfucking trunk that I had. Which, I mean, it worked. Car clean. Like, I didn't have no fucking Windex or anything, so like my glass is still blurry. Which is gonna piss me off for a little bit until I clean it when I get home. I didn't clean out the inside, but as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see like all this fucking like the streaking and shit. Like it's kind of bad, but it's cause of the fucking towel. I don't got one of those advanced ass fucking towels that just take all the fucking water off that motherfucker. I ain't got one of those. I ain't that rich. Alright, YouTube, so it is the next day, and I never ended off that video. So basically explaining how the day went. The day went fucking smooth. But other than that, that'll really be the end of this video. I mean, there's not really much I can say because it is the next day. And I'm not doing shit today, as y'all see. Like today, I basically did everything I wanted to do. And usually, all the shit I usually do on today, well, today, the shit that I usually do, I do it off camera because of the simple fact of it'll take me too long if I fucking do it on camera. So, change my oil, and yeah, just change my oil, fucking, and chilled with my friends, really. So, I mean, that's probably really interesting to y'all, but to me, I don't find that interesting. So yeah, I don't record shit like that. And then some of my friends really don't like being on camera. So that was really all I did, was just me just chilled, changed my oil. We just chilled with the boy and changed oil, fixed on the car, shit like that. And that was really the day. So I really do hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.